Have you ever accidentally deleted your CapCut video, and thought all your work was gone? This tutorial video will show you the whole process of how to recover your deleted CapCut projects on PC easily. Open my CapCut and I have made a test video. Now let's export this test video, and play it on my PC. To demonstrate, I just deleted the exported video. Under these circumstances, or when you can't find your CapCut video on the auto-save or the trash, simply launch the Data Recovery Expert, Syncios Desavior, to get your videos back. Select the partition where you stored the CapCut videos and let Syncios deep scan it. You can search the deleted videos by type and then MP4 format. Select the test video. Click the Recover Now and the Directory button. Choose an output path to store the recovered CapCut files. Then click to recover. Immediately, Syncios Desavior recovers it successfully. Now, let's check the recovered CapCut video. You can see that the test video is played well. That's it. If you have any deleted CapCut videos that can't find in the trash or auto-save, try Syncios Desavior. Supports images, music, and over 1,000 file formats. If this helps you out, don't forget to like this video.